inquiry about our crowns and owning our business. Okay, I know you probably like where I have been at, but I'm back now. I'm finally getting around to answer you guys' questions. The first question that I received is, can I insure bounce houses? Used bounce houses. So if you bought it from a party rental company that was going out of business and you're asking, can you insure them? The answer to that question is a yes and a no. So it's very, let's unravel this. So in order for you to get insurance, you need a commercialized bounce house. Long as it's commercialized, that's what matters. The grade A quality, they will not insure you if it's not commercialized plastic. So the thing that you should be worried about, the plastic that you're getting, make sure it is say commercialized plastic. Make sure it says for commercial use as well. That could be the downfall of when buying used, that you got to make sure that you're buying a commercial unit. So if you are buying used bounce houses, yes, you can insure it. Long as you have it commercialized, you should be fine. Now, if you guys have any other questions for me, I'll be willing to answer them. I'm going to answer some more. All right, guys. See you guys soon. Make sure you like and subscribe.